Get those powerful erections you remember from your teenage years. Hey everyone, welcome to Heal How, where we focus on home remedies and natural healing using plants. In today's feature, we share with you a natural treatment for erectile problems to have you experiencing some rock-hard erections. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video, where we will share with you a simple natural remedy to bring back those amazing teenage erections. What is erectile dysfunction? If you're having issues achieving and keeping an erection, this problem is referred to as erectile dysfunction. It's not a disease, but is a result of another issue, which could be physical, psychological, or a combination of both. Erectile dysfunction is very common in men of all age groups. A survey based in Australia found that at least 1 in 5 men 40 and over has an erection problem, and about 1 in 10 men are not able to achieve and maintain erections. It's the norm for a healthy older man and his partner to feel sexual urges. However, as you get older, muscle strength in the penis degrades, so issues with getting and maintaining an erection become more common. Knowing what to expect as you get older is important so you avoid anxiety and depression. What causes erectile dysfunction? Many factors can be at play preventing you from getting and keeping an erection. With erectile dysfunction, it's possibly a combination of physical issues and psychological issues. At times, there's no clear-cut reason behind erectile dysfunction. More often than not, there's a physical problem causing it. Other causes of erectile dysfunction can include psychosocial issues such as performance anxiety, stress, mental stability, and relationship issues. Poor blood flow, at times stemming from a narrowing of the arteries. Urological problems such as plaque inside the penis. Abuse of drugs and alcohol. Some medicines, such as those used to treat hypertension, high cholesterol, depression, and prostate cancer. Damaged nerve function resulting from pelvic surgery, spinal cord trauma, diabetic neuropathy, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and Alzheimer's disease. Issues with blood vessel function, which includes diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, smoking, and sleeping disorders. Hypogonadism, which is a condition where the testes aren't able to produce enough testosterone for male growth and development or enough sperm. Other health issues that can cause erectile dysfunction include thyroid disease, growth hormone conditions, and too much cortisone. What can I do to get rid of this problem? If you're experiencing erectile problems, visiting your local doctor or sexual health clinic is normally the best option right off the bat. This is a very sensitive issue to discuss for most if not all men. However, you certainly won't be the first patient to visit a doctor's office seeking help with erectile problems. There are a variety of treatments used to help fight erectile dysfunction. Some treatments include oral medications such as Viagra, wearable devices, or penile injections. On this channel, we focus on natural remedies, so let's focus on a plant called sarsaparilla. This is a climbing plant with a thick rootstock or rhizome and thin roots which are several feet long. These usually have horns or spikes. It has bipinnately compound leaves and umbels of small white flowers. The fruit is a red berry, and you can find this plant growing in wet and warm climates, mountainous regions, and dense forests. Its distinguishable characteristic is the brown underground rootstock or rhizome from which medicinal matter can be extracted. As promised, here's a really simple but effective natural cure for erectile dysfunction to get those powerful erections you remember from your teenage years. Step 1. Boil 1 to 2 teaspoons of crumbled root in 1 cup of water. Step 2. As the water comes to a boil, reduce the heat and slow boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink 1 cup of this mixture 3 times daily. Sarsaparilla removes potassium from the body. Frequent usage of this plant may require you to get your potassium levels adequately checked. Like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on home remedies and natural healing using plants.